What's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Tech Boss, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Pubg Lite PC version, which has just been released I think a week or so ago, on your PC. As you can see, it's running behind me. It's running 60 FPS on a GTX 750 Ti at high settings. On Ultra it runs 40 to 50. So if you have anything better, it's going to run really smooth, and it only has 2 GB video memory. So yeah, this is a step-by-step guide from start to finish. So if you have any questions down, leave them down in the description below. But before we get started, let me tell you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can notify whenever I upload a video. And all the links will be provided down in the description below. So that's for now. Let's get started. Okay, so guys, I think the recording has started. Yeah. So the first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to download these 2 files. I'm going to show you exactly. So for this one, VPN Gate, this is the VPN that we are going to use. It's one of the best ones. What you'll need to do is there's going to be a link in the description below. It's going to say something like Soft Ether VPN. You're going to download, click on it, and it's going to download this file. Once it's done, you can click on extract to whatever the name of this is. And then once that's done, you can delete this one, and then this one, open this up. And then first of all, we're going to install this VPN. So let's do that real quick. Okay, this is all you need to do, and here make sure the first one is only selected. I agree, and then next. By the way, this game runs really well on this PC. It has a GTX 750 Ti. If you have even older like Verse cards, I mean, you can turn down the settings. You can run it at really high settings. I mean, really good frame rates. And if you have a better than me, it's going to be even better. So yeah, once this is done, we'll need to do. Okay, let's wait for it. You make sure it's unchecked, click on finish. Then what you will need to do is download, go ahead onto this website right here, lite.pubg.com, and it's automatically going to get translated because of Google. So the first thing you'll need to do after that is click on this download and click on the download button right here. It's going to download. It's just 61 MB. You can I'm just going to cancel it now because I already have it. And then once you're done, you can click on here top right corner. It's going to say apply for ID. Just click on it. I've already done it. Click on not login. Oops, that was wrong. Let me log out real quick. There we go. There's going to be a create my account option. Enter all your details. I don't know, you maybe put it less than your actual age if you're less than 18. And then all your data, click on create my account, and then it's going to say there's going to be it's going to say click on the activation link that was set to your email. That email is going to be something like let's see, like this one, wait for it. Okay, it's going to be like this one, and then there's going to be this email. Just click on confirm to register, and then that's it. It's going to do all that for you. Once that's done, all what you need to download is done, assuming that you've already downloaded this one, the exe file. Then what you'll need to do is, for example, this one, it's going to be probably in downloads, but mine, I've copied it here. Then just double click on it. You need to install Pubg launcher, just like this one, Fortnite. So click on next, I accept, next, and install. I've already copied all the data needed for it to download, but you will need to connect to VPN. I'm just going to copy this again because I didn't want to download like that 3 gigs again. So once that's done, you can uncheck this one, click on finish, click on close, and now I'm just going to copy this back to my actual location where it's supposed to be. I'm going to cut this part just for a second. Okay, so guys, I'm back. On the desktop, you should see this icon. I've copied that because I didn't want to download that 3 gigs again. So the next thing you'll need to go ahead into settings and click on time and language and uncheck this one. Click it on off, like set time automatically. And then here, make sure this one is selected, Bangkok, whatever it is. Just scroll for it and look for Bangkok. Once that's done, all you'll need to do is go ahead into Soft VPN Client Manager. And then there are like, I think 8 servers. If one of them doesn't work, you can try the second one. So the first thing you'll need to do is click on VPN get public servers, and then you can scroll all the way to the top, click on region, just so it arranges them. And let's see if this last one works. I don't know, it might work. Okay, as you can see, there are quite a few. So let's click on this one and click on connect to server, and then it's going to create the virtual network adapter for you. It's not going to take too long, but just bear with me. If you're doing, it'll only do it once, because it only needs to create that driver once. After that's done, it won't do it again and again. There we go. Let's see, as you can see, it just connected to this one. I'm going to check the speed. If it's too slow, then you can switch to any other server. Let's just check the speed real quick. Speedtest.net. If it's too slow, I think it's not too slow. Sometimes it was slow, but then I now changed it. Let's see how much it is. For me, it took like about 1 to 1.5 hours to download that 2.9 gigs. Okay, so yeah, it's a bit slow, but it should be okay, guys. Yeah, it's okay. Once that's done, once you connect it, after you have changed the times, make sure you change the time to Bangkok, because otherwise it's just going to say the servers are too busy. Then you can just click on Pubg Lite, double click on it, and then sign into your account. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, let me sign in real quick. This is not my actual account. Okay, if it gives any kind of error, it's just due to the fact that your VPN is slow, but to me it didn't. Hopefully it doesn't. Okay, I think it's giving that error again, but let's try it again, guys. Okay, yeah, it just closed. I don't know. Let's try to open it again. Okay, if it's giving this kind of errors, I mean, this is the first time I'm experiencing this kind of a problem. I'm gonna just give it a try and try again. If that doesn't work, change your VPN. Or if you have another free VPN or a paid VPN that you're already paying for, you can also use that. Okay, so as you can see, this time, hopefully it doesn't disappear again. Yeah. Then this is actually saying, for me it's saying play, but yours is going to be a little different text, because I've already downloaded the game. Once you just click on this button, and it's going to open up, like, it's not going to open up anything. There's going to be like a bar or something like here. It's going to like show 0 to 100%. It's just going to download the game for you. Once all your data is downloaded, once that's all done, you can click on this one. I don't know how it's going to run while I'm recording. It might lag. I'll see. I'll switch. I'll see how it runs. Okay, so once that's done, you're ready to play, hopefully. Yeah. Then click on this button right here, and it's going to close the launcher, and now it's going to load up the game itself. I hope it doesn't lag, because this thing, OBS does lag for me when I'm recording some gameplays. So I'll just be back. I'll record it with the camera as well, because I don't want to record it again. Okay, so let me just open that Fraps tool just for you guys to see the FPS. Let's load it real quick. Okay, it should be here. Okay, there we go. As you can see, I'm getting pretty decent. The first time you open it up, it'll sign into your account that you just created. It's gonna make you make your character. But once that's done, it's gonna go here onto this screen. And as you can see, I don't know how to use this PUBG, but yeah, as you can see, there are all those maps. I'm gonna select solo. You can also click, I don't know, this might not be, first person might not be available yet because it's just in beta. Once that's done, you can click on start. I'm going to show you how smooth it runs. By the way, if you want to know my settings, I'm running everything like I just chose overall high, because on ultra it runs pretty smooth, but I just want to get like 60, 100 all the time. Okay, as you can see, it's running. Okay, there are a few stutters because I'm recording, and the second of all because I'm recording, and the second of all because well, I don't know why, because I don't know what. Recording. It's the third I'm saying that, third time. But yeah, because when I was recording, it was running really smooth. So yeah, because I have a GTX 750 Ti. Yeah, you can watch my gameplay for a few minutes or a few seconds, I don't know. If you don't know how to play this game, you can click on tab to change all your weapons and stuff. But yeah, it's running really smooth. If I stop the recording, it's gonna go, I'm sure it's gonna bump up to 60. Okay. Okay, I'm pretty sure you're not hearing the voice, the noise, the sound from the game itself, but yeah. I don't know how to place a marker. Yeah, there we go. That's how you do it. I'm gonna eject right now because I'm not playing. This is not my actual match. I'm just showing you guys how this game runs. But yeah, it's much better than emulator. It's made for low-end computers like mine. Actually, just for a fun fact, this computer was bought back in 2009. I upgraded the processor to Intel Xeon 5450 and upgraded this what do we call this? The graphics card. But yeah, as you can see, it's running really smooth. I just landed. I don't know why. I'll die. I don't know how to die in this game. Okay. So yeah, this is happening because I'm actually recording. But yeah, it does take some time to load because I'm recording again. Yeah, as you can see, it's a little stuttery for me because I'm recording again. Because I played this game before and then I uninstalled it just for you guys. When I played it before, it went really smooth. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now. Let me roll out the outro. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. As you guys just saw, I showed you how to install Pubg Lite on your PC, and now it means you can play PUBG for free on your computer. So yeah, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any comments, don't hesitate to put them down in the description, and also join my WhatsApp group because it's much easier to keep in touch using WhatsApp. But yeah, that's it for now. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and this was Hamid from Mr. Tech Boss signing off.